Welcome to the snow-capped mountains of the Northwest, where Project Catamount takes centre stage on a thrilling experience. This beauty embodies the spirit of adventure, comfort and style that defines E.C.D vehicles. Like many E.C.D vehicles, Project Catamount was built to take on the diverse driving conditions whilst doing it in style. Features such as a front winch, rear tow package, LED work lights, front Hella 500 series round spotlights, with roof ski and snowboard racks. This one-of-a-kind Defender has easily delivered in the snowiest conditions. The Seattle ski slopes have nothing on this high-performance machine, as it was made to take on this with ease. This classic Defender 110 combines vintage style with modern comforts and plenty of extras. This vehicle is a classic and so much more, powered by a robust Chevrolet LT1 V8 engine with 450 horsepower, and coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it can take on diverse terrains with ease. Combined with ECD air ride suspension, you'll enjoy a comfortable ride wherever this vehicle takes you. Beyond functionality and performance, this vehicle is certainly not shy in styling. Painted in beautiful olive blue with silver accents, from this full set of checkers to air intakes, optimal handles and hinges, Project Catamount continues to turn heads. Stepping inside the vehicle, the interior is both luxurious and functional. The beautiful Garrett Cadence spiced leather is accented with horizontal stitching, pulling together a classy invitation to sit in style whilst enjoying the comforts of this build. The load area boasts 4 inward-facing jump seats, allowing for seating or hauling. The instrument cluster features vintage gauges to enhance the feel of this classic ride. Project Catamount isn't just about style and comfort, it's packed with safety features too, including a 6-point full external roll cage, backup camera, parking sensors, digital rear view mirror, and a tyre pressure monitoring system. This vehicle is equipped to take on some incredible adventures, whether it's climbing the ski slopes or beyond. Imagine climbing the snow-capped mountain trails and pulling up to the lodge in your own custom classic Defender. Imagine turning heads as you plough through the snowy mountain trails with ease, as most drive down the urban roads. These custom vehicles are made for performance and are ready to take on your adventure. To learn more about this vehicle or to discover how you can have your own custom-built classic vehicle, contact E.C.D Auto Design today.